How to revive wellness in your life. If the crisis has taught us anything, it is the significance of keeping our mental and physical health in check. It turned our world inside out. It disrupted our routines, forced us to stay at home, forced us to realize the fragility of life, and pushed us well beyond our limits. We put a greater emphasis on our physical and emotional well-being, and we learned to value the little things we used to take for granted. We demonstrated to ourselves that we are robust, and we treated one another with kindness. Even as the world reopens, there are some things we should remember and even build on from our time to create a better new normal. Here are 5 ways to perfect your wellness and reset your life from the ground up. 1. Kindness. The pandemic's awfulness and global misery let us appreciate the positive events in a new perspective. Remember the universal applause for our health professionals at 8 p.m.? Recognizing and being thankful for our good fortune is a crucial mindset for recovery. 2. Mental health. The pandemic has a variety of effects on each of us. There was no manual for dealing with it, but there was a communal movement towards self-care, giving ourselves room and patience in our weakness in order to move through it. We were able to develop, learn more about ourselves, and work on personal self-improvement as a result of our focus on mental health. 3. Meditation increases mindfulness. Experts suggest yoga, meditation, and regulated breathing to alleviate anxiety induced by the pandemic. Meditation has been scientifically established to have several advantages, and several meditation apps make it simple to include meditation into your daily practice. 4. Nutrition and healthy eating. For many of us, the last year led to several physiological changes and not always in a positive manner. To boost overall health and wellness, it's critical to prioritize good nutrition and eating habits. 5. Fitness and exercise. After a year of confinement, better health and fitness, including losing weight, is sure to be top of the list of goals for this year. As we attempt to restore some kind of normality, you may want to resume your workouts and build new life-changing routines, which you may have neglected when the pandemic began. In the end, life may never be the same. There has been many changes throughout the world and the consequences will be felt for a long time. However, for those fortunate enough to go back to normal, this is a chance to revive wellness in their life.